Last month, I shared this chart on sterling euro. It gives us a 14-month view back to the beginning of 2025, where we were trading above the 120 mark, which was an unusual level for sterling euro to trade at. There's been a ton of resistance at that level, really over the last 6-7 years since the Brexit vote went through. And last year, sterling euro found itself in a fairly obvious decline. What's worth mentioning is last August, September, we had this 115.50 mark, which was acting as a ceiling or a resistance for the pair. We're just trading above the 116 mark at the moment, which represents a push above both the 100 and 200 moving average lines. The Nomura Bank have also just come out with an article showing a very bearish sentiment on sterling euro over the next couple of months. They see the pair trading at 111.70 by April time. They're blaming a number of things. They're blaming further weakness from the Labour Party, causing some political instability. They're blaming a weakening economic outlook, and they're also seeing a de-dollarization or a flow from US dollar safe haven status into the euro, which we've seen before in the past when geopolitical tensions have spiked. But for UK businesses who are buying euros, this is quite an interesting turning point for the pair. We might see some consolidation around this 115.50 level, potentially before a push higher. And the next reasonable area for the market to consolidate would be around the 118 mark. Any movement above that, then it opens up a runway to 120 again and above. So businesses buying euros, very interesting time to be looking at your budget rates for Q1 all the way through to Q4. And more importantly, for UK businesses receiving euro income from clients, this is also a point of interest for you to think about what your cover looks like for the rest of the year. Because if we do build a base above this level and sterling continues to appreciate, then it's going to have a very different outlook versus the beginning of the year where we were trading at the 113 range.